Hey, this is Dr. Uyi Abraham again. I want to talk to you about how you can make six figures before you're 21. Now, it doesn't matter if you're 21 or you're 71. The same principles can help you in your business and finance. How do you start a business? You start a business by simply solving a problem. What does that mean? There's so many problems in the world today. You got to find the right problem for you to solve, and that's the problem that somebody is able and willing to pay you for. All you got to do is to find a problem around you to solve, and when you solve that problem, you're going to find out that people are willing and excited to pay you for solving a problem. A few years ago, my wife finished with a master's degree in business administration. I was very excited for her, but the problem is that master's degree set her back $40,000 in debt. In fact, set us back $40,000 in debt without our promise of a job. It was hard for her to get a job that could help us pay off that $40,000 student loan in a few years, But see, that is the reason why you need to start a business by solving a problem, because traditional schools nowadays does not guarantee you of any income, of any lifestyle of the rich and famous that you see on your television or on the internet. So go ahead right now and find a problem that you can solve so that you can become even more successful. Or go ahead now and find a problem that you can solve so that you can live the life that you truly deserve.